Welcome to another episode of Bussani Mobility's Vehicle Walkaround. Today's episode is going to be about the 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. This is converted with a Bussani power fold-out ramp with the signature logo etched right in. You can see the vehicle is starting to kneel. With the vehicle knelt, there's a 9-degree ramp angle, 29.25-inch wide ramp, 31-inch wide door opening, signature Braun step flares. For the purposes of the video, I have the seat out so you can see what kind of space is inside the car. As we go in, Braun vinyl floor covering. Got the powder-coated tracks for the wheelchair lockdowns. And here's the space for the passenger position. You can see the shifter console has been modified from the factory one. The factory car came with a elbow center console that had to be modified. Braun did a very, very nice job. All the controls are right here. This one has a ramp on and ramp off bypass switch. Keeps the whole shifter console intact, the factory shifter console intact. Cup holders. We don't know how much we miss those until they're gone. Obviously, a 12-volt supply. Cup holders in the doors, map pockets. This one has a charging port right there, wireless charging port. Complete touchscreen, radio with nav. This particular model, the XLE Plus, has a power sunroof. Grab handles. This is a hybrid vehicle. Comes right up. You never even hear it come on. It is one of the coolest things going. She's running. Super quiet. Step and roll seat bases, similar for the vehicle that they've got built over the last decade or so. Braun signature lighting, indirect lighting. Same setup in the back. Really helpful at night. Not too bright, just the right amount. Your override switches as needed. An improvement to the footrest for the rear bench over the Traverse and the SUV model. This one makes it so much easier to do. It's got just like that, and it's in. Switches, typical Braun switches everywhere you look. One on the dash. Of course, you get the key fob. And overhead as well. Get our good sized trunk space. That's our protection plate for the batteries that operate this vehicle. USB ports in the rear for all the kiddos. All right, let's take a look from the outside again. With the vehicle running, you can't use the remote. One-touch remote control closes the vehicle right up. Very clean fit and finish, very OEM looking, new lines added from Braun. Power hatch. Decent space in the back of the car. We have plenty of these babies on order. Come on down. Call ahead, but we do want you to come down and take a look. They're here for your comfort. Plenty of space. We hope to talk to you soon. Give us a call when you get a chance to watch this.